Dear students, let us continue Module 5. In this lecture video, we will be talking about Raspberry Pi. It is a physical device and endpoints. Introduction to Raspberry Pi and about the Raspberry Pi board and hardware layout. So let us understand what is Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi, it is a small computer. It is uh, a smart card type of computer which works with a specific functions. So let us go with the line by line. Raspberry Pi is the name of a series of single board computers made by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, a UK charity that aims to educate people in computing and create easier access to computing education. It is an effort to make a computer very cheap. So it was developed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, which was on charity in UK, and their aim is to give education to the people in computing and uh, create easier access to computing education. So it is a small type of computer which will have all the things. It will have a memory. It will have a hard disk. It will have a motherboard. It will have a CPU and all those things. The Raspberry Pi launched in 2012, and there have been several iterations and variations released since then. So it was developed in 2012, and since after that, several variations updation was made in Raspberry Pi architecture. The original Pi had a single core 700 MHz CPU and just 256 MB RAM, and the latest model has quad core 1.4 GHz CPU with 1 GB RAM. So latest Raspberry Pi, it can have 1.4 GHz CPU with 1 gigabyte of RAM. But in the previous version when it was made first, they had only 700 megahertz CPU and 256 MB of RAM. So from since beginning till now, so much development happened in the architecture of Raspberry Pi. The main price point of Raspberry Pi has always been $35. So basically, it is just made to the aim of making the Raspberry Pi architecture is to make the computer very cheap. So it was just $35 and all models have been $35 or less, including the Pi Zero, which cost $5. So even a $5 also you can get a Raspberry Pi. But all the versions they have either maximum value is $35 or less than that. This is the Raspberry Pi board. You can see that it is a credit card size of computer. It is a low cost credit card size computer. It will have a 40 GPIO pin. This is the architecture you can say. It has a LCD display. Here LCD display it is there. Then power button is there. HDMI card is there. Pi camera. One camera is also there. 3.5 millimeter audio device is there. RJ45 Ethernet cable is there just to run Ethernet, and four USB ports will be there. Four USB port here also there, so that anything you can connect and you can access the computer. Then here some basic. So this is a small size computing which uh, has made the computer acts very easy. Now we can use it for programming purpose or any computing purpose or text writing, essay writing purpose, and so many things. Whatever a normal computer does, like that only, so many things it can also do with a minimum size one. It has so much of potential. We can do so many projects using this Raspberry Pi with different technology. Now, basic Raspberry Pi command line one. Useful commands to run for a terminal or command line. So, what are the commands? How to handle these Raspberry Pi? These Raspberry Pi can be handled using commands, many commands. So, let us see one by one all the commands. So, first command is Raspberry Pi rasp config. So, it change your PI configuration setting. It changes our Raspberry Pi configuration. Next, start text. It starts the graphics user interface. Next command it is I if config. It get the details of your Ethernet or wireless network adapter. If config, it gets the details of our Ethernet or wireless network adapter. Raspberry Pi update, it updates our Raspberry Pi firmware. Next, SSH, it connect our Pi to other computers. SSH command, it connect our Raspberry Pi to other computer so that we can show display, we can put, we can put some files. Then sudo command, so it runs commands as a super user. Using the sudo, user can act like a super user. Then shut down command. This command will shut down our Raspberry Pi. Nano command. This is a text editor for changing or adding files, save file, edit file, or create file. Nano command. This is our text editor for using or adding files, save, edit, or create command. Let us see basic command 2. So those are called comes under the basic command 1. Now basic command 2 will be discussing here. So useful commands to run from a terminal or command line. So from a terminal or command line, what are the commands we can use to run the Raspberry Pi? So first is ls command. So it lists out the current directory file. ls command is so it is just like a Unix command which already we have studied in our Unix. Next, so it is ls command in Unix. What is it used to do? It lists out the files or directory in the current directory. So here it lists out the current directory file. Same thing. cd, it is a change directory. Go to the directory or folder. Then find, it searches whole system for files or directory. So find command, it is used to search the whole files present in the Raspberry Pi computer, and it will search. Then clear command, it clears the terminal screen. Whatever uh, things are present in your terminal screen currently, it will clear it. Then command move files or folders. mv command, it is move files or folders. So suppose uh, uh, you have uh, created a file, but contents you have written, but their file name you want to change it. Then you can use the move command to change the file name. Then touch command, it create a blank file. Touch command, it creates a blank file. So as like in Unix vi command, which is used to create a blank file, here touch command in Raspberry Pi